Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Jenny and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted a video a couple of weeks ago since I was so busy with my work and it's so difficult doing vlog and working in a regular job at the same time. Although I'm trying my best, but I failed. But then again, I'm working on it to balance everything out. That's why I'm back with another video. So in this video guys, as you can see in the title, is the unboxing of my Huawei Watch Fit, and it's going to be my first ever unboxing vlog on my YouTube channel. So before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell so you will get notified whenever I have a new video. So without being said, let's do the unboxing. This is the packaging look like. As you can see, there is a Huawei logo right here and the name of the watch, Huawei Watch Fit, and some description here. 1.64 AMOLED display and watch battery life, something like that. And in the back there are some features in this watch here, so I will be explaining it later. And here is the QR code where you can scan this one and download the Huawei Health app to pair in your watch. So let's open this. Actually, I already set everything up before I'm doing this unboxing because it's very difficult. It takes so much time, but I didn't wear them yet just for the sake of this video. So yeah, here you go. This is what the watch look like. It's in mint green, similar to the box. The back it says mint green. It looks like this. The strap is like similar to Huawei GT 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's like this one, and it has a Huawei logo. I'm sorry, you cannot focus. Like that. So we're going to wear them. We're going to start wearing them and check. Here you go. It has a lot of face watch to choose from. If you want to change to animation, you can. Yeah, it's a little bit loose. Here's how it looks like on my wrist. It's so cute. I like the style. So you can change it whenever you like. And it has two compartments in both sides. The other one is the charging cable here. This one, just basic cable. And the other side is the warranty card and the manual, or like a booklet, something like that. It just in case you want to know more about the watch, so you can just read it right here. And pretty much that's it in this box. Nothing fancy. The reason why I bought this watch is that I like the design because it's very sleek. As you can see, it's so cute. Even the watch face is like similar to Apple, which is I also have an Apple, this one, but for the sake of this video I'm not gonna wear this one because this video is all about this watch. So yes, if I want to compare this one, it's totally different. Like, I mean, some features here doesn't have in this watch also. Like, not all the features are available in iWatch, so this one has like more than enough, like this. And anyway, I was planning to buy the black one, but it's sold out and it's not available. It's in pre-order, but I'm really eager to have this one right away. That's why I took it. But anyway, since I bought this one, I just keep it somewhere in the corner of my room. I didn't have time to do the unboxing, but yeah, I'm trying hard today so I can wear them already. It has different colors, by the way. It has orange, pink, and black. Mine is mint green, guys. I forgot to tell you. This is what I chose because there's no option, there's no black. There are 4 reasons why I like this watch. First, because it has a personal fitness that will guide you during your exercise, and with this, what you call the 3D animation, and the personal fitness, it has 12 courses ranging from beginner to the advanced level. Second, aside from personal fitness, you will also get a running courses, which is consists of 13 different levels, like run primary and run advanced. The third thing that I like about this watch is the design. It's versatile enough and simple, sleek, and so affordable. That's exactly what we are looking for. And most importantly, it's so light. It's only weighed 21 grams, this watch, so you don't feel like you're wearing a fitness watch on your wrist. So it's really nice and also very affordable, you guys. It only costs like 399 Qatari riyals. In pesos, it costs 4,999 pesos, and in euro, it's 90 euro. In American dollar, it's like $110 costs. But look at this. Is it so beautiful? It's so nice, right? I think it's for me and in my outfit, guys. And the fourth thing that I like about this watch is the battery life, which is 10 days. And that's how crazy it is, 10 days. Compared to iWatch, which is last only for a whole day and you have to recharge them again. But in this watch, you don't have to do that because the battery is long lasting. It's very convenient, right? Rather than charging all the time. So yeah, it's gonna be my favorite one now because I really like it. And if you want to know the difference between the iWatch and this one, then maybe you can see something right here in the screen, so you will know the difference about expensive and less expensive, but you have all the benefits. So it doesn't always have to be expensive, like I always said. So yeah, it's gonna be my favorite now. And that's it, guys, for this unboxing video. Hope you find it useful and somehow it helps you to find the right fitness watch for you guys. So it doesn't always have to be expensive. There are so many varieties out in the market right now. Like, they are cheaper, but they have everything all you need. So it depends on your lifestyle, because as you know, we are suffering from the pandemic and some people, they lost their job, and we're always looking something for alternatives because we have limited resources. Yeah, I hope this video helps you to find the right watch for you guys. So until then, see you in my next one. Bye.